Imbail answer to drink. Pre Nicolaus answer harmful. R. Vinegar answer follower. D. Mice answer birth. Submission yielding answer complain acquiescent. Distort twist answer harmonious balance. Search an answer overt act of hostility can only lead to war. At such serious government, your answer levelly is improper. The teacher succeeded sitting as soon as she noticed the student answer furtive glance at his classmate script in order to control the currently rate of population growth in Bangladesh. Answer concerted activity in necessary. After such answer, a wonderful applied mail we were seek to applied Miriam for delicious cooking. His poor health is the main roadblock to his promotion. Answer obstacle. The jurist went on arguing Noni tells answer in spite of everything. Most of the participants did not expect the victory of a drunk horse like him. Answer an unknown person. Identify the correct passive form of open the window. Answer let the window be opened. The correct passive form of his friend laughed at him. Answer he was laughed at by his friend. The indirect speech of answer the teacher said that man is mortal. The teacher said man is mortal. Which of the following word is not in the plural form? Answer readus. Readis. Find the correct sentence. Answer he took offense at my word. Find the correct sentence. Answer I heard him saying so. Find the correct sentence. Answer Rahim prevented me from going there. Which one of the following is the singular form of the word alumini? Answer all aluminious. The meaning of maiden speech is. Answer first. Select the correctly spelled word. Answer appropriate. Select correct spelled word. Answer buri buri carry. C. Select correctly spelled word. Answer encyclopedia. The verb of the word danger is. Answer in danger.